How to see blocked users on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see blocked users on Discord. Without further ado, let's get started. Before heading on straight to the Discord app, let's first visit the App Store over here. Or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Discord. So what we're going to do here is to check if our Discord is up to date. So just tap on Discord, and if it shows an update button right here, like on this page, that means that your Discord is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to see the users you have blocked within the app. However, if that says open, that means that your Discord is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Discord, let's just go ahead and open up Discord right here. And if you are in a specific text channel, just click on this 3-bar line at the top left corner. So that will show the menu icons at the bottom part. And from here, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner so we can go through our settings right here. Once you're here, just click on this account option right above the user profile option. So just tap on that. And you should see the blocked users option right over here. It can be below the SMS backup authentication option. So just tap on the blocked users, and this page should show the list of users that you have blocked on Discord. So I have one user that I have blocked right here, so you can control the blocking of that person. So just click on unblock right over here if you want to unblock that user. So I'm just going to unblock them, and that is how you can basically see blocked users on Discord. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.